Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. I'm back again today to talk to you about change. I told you last time that change is not always bad. It's often good. So now I want to show you how to make change happen. There's 8 steps in the process. We'll cover the first 4 quickly today. Step number 1, if you want to set the stage for change, you've got to make everybody around you realize there's a problem. There's something that needs to change. You've got to create a sense of urgency. The minute everybody understands it, the second step is building a team that's going to help guide the change. Now that you've set the stage with those 2 steps, you're ready for step 3. You've got to share your positive vision of the future. What are we going to change to? What are we going to that's going to be better than what we have now? In essence, you've got to decide what to do. Once you've decided, you've got to communicate that vision and that strategy to everyone else on the team. You're halfway there, and I'll see you at our next visit to talk about the last 4 steps of leading change. This is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. See you then.